when someone finds humor in a situation, you win.
Winning doesn't have to be at others' expense.
You earn a prize, you don't buy it.
Success doesn't happen overnight. Keep your eye on the prize and don't look back.
Hello dear viewers.
कैसे हो आप?
This is my friend Zia.
And she is my friend Isha.
And we are proud Xavierites. Yes, because today is the day of celebration.
A day of jubilations.
Yes, of course, our fellow mates and our seniors have made the entire Xavs management, teachers, parents and all our juniors proud by scoring very well and performing excellently in their board exams.
Well, then what we are waiting for? It's time to felicitate the high flyers.
39 years ago, in the year 1982, for a noble cause and with utmost faith in God, St. Xavier's Senior Secondary Co-ed School was established with the motto, God is my strength. समय की बदलती धारा के साथ और विभिन्न उतार चढ़ावों को मद्देनजर रखते हुए सेंट ज़ेवियर स्कूल के सतत अनवरत प्रयासों का ही नतीजा है कि यहाँ छात्र छात्राओं ने न केवल शैक्षणिक स्तर पर तरक्की पाई वरन उनका सर्वांगीण विकास भी हुआ। Year 2020 brought along with itself a lot of challenges in the form of pandemic, lot of dilemma among students attending virtual classes, trying to accustom themselves to the situations prevailing. But they managed well to fit in the shoes. With all determination, excelled in CBSE board exams. St. Xavier's Senior Secondary Co-ed School, PAL, stands tall and proud to announce superbly fantastic results of class 10th and 12th.
मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर भर कर जेबों में आशाएं, दिल में है अरमान यही कुछ कर जाएं, कुछ कर जाएं। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है। मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है। बंजर माटी में पल कर मैंने मृत्यु से जीवन खींचा है। मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूं। मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूं। शीशे से कब तक तोड़ोगे? मिटने वाला मैं नाम नहीं। तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? इस जग में जितने जुल्म नहीं उतने सहने की ताकत है। इस जग में जितने जुल्म नहीं उतने सहने की ताकत है। तानों के भी शोर में रहकर सच कहने की आदत है। मैं सागर से भी गहरा हूं। मैं सागर से भी गहरा हूं। तुम कितने कंकड़ फेंकोगे? चुन चुन कर आगे बढ़ूंगा मैं। तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? झुक झुक कर सीधा खड़ा हुआ, अब फिर झुकने का शौक नहीं। झुक झुक कर सीधा खड़ा हुआ, अब फिर झुकने का शौक नहीं। अपने ही हाथों रचा स्वयं तुमसे मिटने का खौफ नहीं, तुम हालातों की भट्टी में जब जब भी मुझको झोंकोगे तब तब कर सोना बनूंगा मैं। तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे?
Respected teachers, parents, and my dear students, I sincerely appreciate and congratulate all our dear students for their excellence in the board examinations 2021. A special word of praise the toppers of the school for their academic excellence. You have made us, your parents, teachers, and the school proud with your extraordinary result. I congratulate each one of you. It is said one of the best motivators for success is success itself. It is success that motivates us to achieve more success. I wish and pray that your academic success help you, motivate you, challenge you to achieve more and more successes in your life. Majority of you, very especially the 12th standard students, have been in this institution for the last 14 long years. You all came to this institution in the nursery classes as little kids. But after 14 years, you are going out of this institution as matured and able Saviorites. Congratulations to each one of you, and I thank you for being part of this institution for a very long time. Continue to be part of this institution wherever you are and in whichever way possible. I also take this opportunity to appreciate our committed and experienced staff members for their contribution for the academic excellence of our students. It is their hard work, their sincere effort that makes us always proud with our board examination results and all our achievements. Congratulations, dear teachers, not only the 11th and 12th teachers, but all the teachers here, beginning from the nursery till the 12th teachers. I also thank all the parents and well-wishers for your constant support and good wishes. It is with your cooperation that we are able to achieve more and more through this institution. Once again, I congratulate each one of you, thank each one of you, and wish all of you all the very best and God's blessings. Thank you.
दिखा कमाल वो आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां। शाबाशिया 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 शाबाशिया।
As the saying goes, the only way to guarantee success at a task is to give in your best shot. A very hearty congratulations, dear students, on a very brilliant performance. Zave's family is feeling proud of each and every one of you. May this excellent result achieved by you all this year may it transform into spectacular performance in the coming years. You have been an inspiration to all your juniors. You have shown that with patience, dedication, and constant hard work, no goal is unattainable. As Bhagavad Gita says, Karm karo, phal ki chinta mat karo. Keep your best foot forward and leave the rest on God and destiny. Success and failure are a part of life. The one who gets up even after the failure is sure to succeed. The success of today is the beginning of tomorrow's achievement. Dear 20s, wish you all the best for your future venture. May you all come out in flying colors in your future endeavors.
Exams are always tough, but champions make it worthwhile with their excellent performance. My dear students, I feel blessed and honored to congratulate you all on your amazing achievement in exams. You made all of us proud. Here, at this particular moment, I, on behalf of entire Zave's family, just want to say, it doesn't matter what your ambition is or what you want to become later on in your life. You did well for your exam. That proves that you have the ability and talent to become who you want to be. So, keep up the spirit and keep making your mentors proud. Wish you all the best, dear students.
Good morning. We teaching stream students have a message for our juniors. That is, keep working hard, be sincere,
And believe in yourself.
and seize the day.
Success is no accident. Keep faith in yourself, be dedicated, be determined, and keep your dreams alive. All throughout my journey, my parents and teachers guided me, supported me to reach the pinnacle. So work hard and never give up.
I sincerely thank and present my gratitude towards all my teachers and the school staff for their constant support throughout my journey. Thank you.
Put in all your effort and hard work, and success will be in your hands. Thank you.
Do hard work and never lose your confidence. Thank you.
2 years in humanities have taught me that confidence and dedication are the key that takes you to high. It's not what people think about you. Confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. So, don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.